Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you Ultimate Guitar Pro Honest Review. So, Ultimate Guitar Pro is the paid upgrade of Ultimate Guitar. Now, a long-running platform that guitar players use to find tabs, chords, and song transcriptions. Now, the free version already gives access to a huge library of community uploaded tabs, but for the pro subscription, it unlocks extra tools like interactive tabs that play along with the song, the ability to slow things down, loop difficult sections, transpose keys, and download tabs for offline use. Now, it's marketed as a more complete learning and practice tool, especially for people who want more than just static chord sheets. Now, looking at whether the upgrade is worth it or raise any concerns, well, Trustpilot is one of the most useful source here. Now, according to Trustpilot, Ultimate Guitar has a large number of reviews with a mixed overall rating. Now, many reviewers acknowledge that the platform itself is useful and that the tab library is extensive. However, a noticeable portion of negative reviews focus on the subscription management, including confusion around free trials, automatic renewals, and difficulty canceling plans. Now, these complaints are repeated across different reviews, which suggests that frustration is more about building transparency and account management rather than the tabs or learning tools not working. Now, community discussions add more context to the question here. Now, based on conversations found on guitar forums and Reddit threads here, many players say Ultimate Guitar Pro is generally helpful if the interactive features are used regularly. Now, people often mention that playback controls, looping, and the official tabs make practicing more efficient, especially for beginners and intermediate players. Now, at the same time, others say the upgrade isn't necessary, so if they only need basic tabs and don't use the advanced tools often enough to justify the subscription price. Similar to Trustpilot feedback, Reddit discussions also bring up complaints about renewals and subscriptions, reinforcing that this is the most common downside mentioned online. Now, putting everything together here, well, the overall picture is fairly consistent. Ultimate Guitar Pro does not show signs of being unsafe or deceptive in terms of legitimacy here. Now, it's a real service and with real functionality that many guitar players actively use the benefit from. Now, the main debate online is about whether it works, but whether the added features are worth the cost and whether the subscription experience feels fair and transparent. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.